Hello everyone, Tech Aid TV here. In for today's video is we have here this Brother DCP-T430W printer, and this unit is having a CIS or contact image sensor failure. As we can see here, upon turning on the printer, the red indicator LED keep on flashing. Then, when we try to run a photocopy, as we notice here, the CIS doesn't move. So probably this unit is having a CIS problem. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how to replace the CIS or contact image sensor of this Brother DCP-T430W printer. And without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Press and hold the stop or power button to turn off the printer. And then, unplug the power cord and USB cable. Then we can now start disassembling the printer. Just remove the 4 screws at the back part of the printer. And remove also the scanner screw. Remove the paper cassette tray. Remove the front cover. Then we can now remove the side cover. Then we can now remove the CIS or the contact image sensor. Then this is the new CIS or contact image sensor to attach and replace the defective CIS for this scanner. Then we may now remove the CIS flex cable cover to properly attach the CIS flex cable. Then we may now attach the new CIS to the scanner flex cable. Then after that, securely align the CIS to the CIS holder. Then reattach the CIS flex cable cover. Then right after remove the CIS plastic cover. Then reassemble the scanner. Then right after assembling the scanner, we may now attach and install the scanner into the printer. Then attach the side cover. Then, after attaching the side cover, we can now attach the front cover. Then lock the 4 screws of its side cover. Insert the paper cassette tray. And that's the simple step-by-step procedure on how to disassemble the scanner and replace the CIS or contact image sensor of this Brother DCP-T430W printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.